Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean cache and speed up the LENOVO K5 Play. This phone does not have a built-in cleaner, so you'll have to install one yourself. You want to go to Play Store, search up cleaner, and install the cleaner of your choice. After it's been installed, you can open it. Here, you might have to agree to let it access your files. Then it will scan your phone. It might show some ads. Then you can clean. After it scans your phone, click clean, and your cache has been cleaned. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.